Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Shay.
And today we're going to show you how to turn whipping cream into a delicious dessert topping without the sugar.
Here's what you'll need: a carton of heavy whipping cream, a stand mixer, and your favorite flavor of SweetLeaf Sweet Drops. Pro tip, you'll want to freeze the bowl of your stand mixer for about 20 to 30 minutes before you're ready to make this recipe.
For these whipped cream varieties, you'll notice that we're using several different flavors of Sweet Drops. Our Sweet Drops are a sugar-free and calorie-free way to add flavor and sweetness to all kinds of recipes. One unique thing about our Sweet Drops is that they're liquid-based. This means that they mix easily into your recipes. We're using our vanilla, clear, caramel flavors today, but Sweet Drops come in a variety of flavors in a glass dropper or plastic squeezable bottle.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
And don't forget to follow us on social for more SweetLeaf recipes.